turning point that we just say it's the right time for you to come back to the industry. And ano yung ina-eye ninyo po na work? Like, this is your comeback, ano pong gusto nyo gawin sa inyong pagbabalik?
You know what's funny? Last night, kinakausap ko si Luis. Sabi ko sa kanya, am I making the right decision? More of, handa na ba talaga akong bumalik? And you know what he said to me? Sabi niya, you know you are doing this for yourself. You deserve it. You deserve to pursue your dreams and to grow pa. And yun, siguro yung gusto kong matry pa na roles. Kasi before, you know naman, I've been doing central roles, diba, heavy drama. And hindi ko sasabihin na magaling ako Martin. Marunong lang. Pero hindi ako magaling. Doon ako magpa-focus siguro ngayon na yung mas ma-hone pa yung acting. Na gusto ko mag-try ng gray roles, or like kontrabida, or like, syempre nanay naman na talaga ako, mother roles. Na actually sinasabi nga sa akin nila tatay, nila Direk Lauren, tsaka nila po hindi pwede ka pa maging leading lady. So ko, sige, why not? Pwede naman kung kaya pa and kung tingin nyo bagay yun sa akin. But honestly, ang dami kong gustong i-try and I'm very excited kung ano ba yung hinanda sa akin ng aking ABS family, yung Star Magic family.
Last na lang po from me. Is there any particular artist that you wanna work with again or want to try to work with now that you have written up?
Actually, I want to work with Luis. Kasi I've never worked with him. And gusto ko din matry na matuto ng hosting and you know how to speak more. Kaya nasabi ko kay Ai, ang galing mo talaga. Kasi iba din yung, alam nyo, ang hosts, iba talaga. Kasi iba yung how they take care of their craft, yung paano nila aralin yung bawat tao na makakaharap nila. And I see that, I saw that kay Luis. And even yung show niya ngayon, yung Rainbow Rumble, I see his dedication. Actually ngayon, nag-dry run yata sila. And he told me na I might stay until later kasi talagang tututukan ko to. And that's what's great about him. Yung talagang bawat project, yung tutukan niya. And yun, parang gusto ko siyang makatrabaho sa ganun naman. Kasi before, di ba, palaging acting. Ngayon naman, siguro pag medyo comfortable na ako ulit, yung medyo comfortable na ako sa kinauupuan ko, mag-try naman ako ng iba. Hosting, or you know, like a lifestyle show. Like, sabi ko kanina, di ba, like opening up my life to people. Why not, di ba? I mean, lifestyle, pwedeng ganon. So, maybe.